Engage battery isolator switch. Insert the key and turn it to the heat position. Never skip this in cold conditions. Turn the key to on and then to start to fully start. Disengage battery isolator switch when not in use. Use the right control lever to move the arm. Use the button on the right lever to operate the thumb grip. Right lever left equals fill, right equals dump. Small right lever controls blade up, down. Push both drive levers to move forward, pull to reverse. Use button to engage boom swing. To swing the boom left or right, use the left control lever. Gently tilt the lever right gives boom swings right. Gently tilt the lever left gives boom swings left. Disengage boom swing to rotate with cabin. Gently tilt the lever right gives to rotate right. Gently tilt the lever left gives to rotate left. Use the right control lever to adjust the retractable track's width. Your job site partner now in your hands.